Okay, Roxy, you gotta let us know what you think of this house.
Should I just let her go?
Yeah. What do you think, Roxy and Socks? She's like, where's my bed? Where's my bed? Such good windows to look out. Oh, bless you. Oh, another window, huh? So what do you think of the kitchen, Roxy? Look at this place, Roxy. What do you think? You think you could see yourself having a bath in here? Well, and Roxy, this would be your room. Put your bed in here. You have this room all to yourself. Well, plus our clothes. Okay, so Roxy, how much do you love this house? Do you love this house so much? Yes, it's a cool house. Okay, Roxy, tell us. What's your favorite part about this house? Is it the couches? Oh, it's the windows, huh? I know it's the windows. You like this house? Let's make a deal, okay? Yes, good. Sold! Sold! All right, Roxy, if you like this house, let's make a deal. Ah, okay, I know you're excited. We got it. We got to shake on it. Roxy, shake.